Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this channel, I share insights around electronics, smart TVs, smartphones, and how to make you use your devices effectively. In this particular video, I want to share with you 5 must-have applications for your smart TV device, and most importantly, how to get these applications to your smart TV device. So if this is something you're interested in, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the like button. Share the video to someone you think might need the video. Now, as I said, I want to share with you 5 must-have applications for your smart TV device, and I'll recommend you watch right up to the end to understand and learn about all these 5 applications. Now, that said, let's kick off. The first application that you must have if you're a smart TV user is VLC. VLC is a video player, and I think this is the best video player I have used. There are other video players like MX players and a lot, but I prefer VLC because it's the best in its design. It's very simple to use. It helps you download subtitles. It has many advantages as compared to other video players. So if you're looking for a better video player for your smart TV or smartphone, VLC is the best video player you might need on your smart TV. If you are looking for a way to download VLC on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get VLC to your smart TV. The second must-have application on your smart TV is Downloader. Downloader is a beautiful application. It works like a browser and an intermediary. Why do I call it an intermediary? Downloader is the kind of application that helps you to search for anything across the internet and download it to your smart TV. So if you're looking for an application, an APK, a document, a video, a song, whatever you're searching for, Downloader can help you search that particular file and download it straight to your smart TV. All you have to do is come over to this downloader here, and then in the search box you type in what you're looking for, whatever you're looking for. Just type in here, and it's going to lead you straight away to a source on the internet that can help you get that particular file to your smart TV. So downloader is a must-have application on your smart TV. Personally, I download all my applications on my smart TV using downloader. Even files, YouTube videos, I can download all of them using downloader. So downloader is a must-have application on your smart TV. If you don't have downloader, check the description of this video. There is a link there to help you get downloader to your smart TV. The third must-have application on your smart TV device is a browser, right? There are many browsers: Chrome, Brave, Opera Mini, browser. There are just a lot of them, but there is one that stands out for smart TV and Android devices, which is TV Pro. TV Pro is an interesting application or browser for your smart TV. In many ways, it is better than Chrome because it's easier to use, it's less RAM consuming, and it's faster than other browsers that I've tried. So if you're a smart TV users, you might want to try a browser. And this is how the interface looks like. Very simple, very interesting, and it designed to suit your smart TV. Other browsers like Chrome, Brave are all designed to suit your computers or phone. But when you come over to TV Bro, it is designed straight away for your smart TV device, and that's why I love it for smart TV. So if you're a smart TV user, you're looking for a better browser, you might want to get TV Bro. And if you don't have TV Bro, check the description of this video. There's a link here that's going to help you to get TV Bro to your smart TV device. The fourth application that you must have on your smart TV device is TV Mate. TV Mate is a player that helps you watch movies, TV shows, football, sports online. All you have to do is to download the application, buy a subscription or have a subscription link, and then connect it to your TV Mate and watch. It's very, very easy. So TV Mate is a very interesting app, especially for those of you who love applications like TV and so on. And this is how it looks like. You just have to go over here, subscribe. So I've subscribed. This is my channel provider, and all you have to do here, here are mine. These are all channels that I can watch on my smart TV online. So if you have TV Mate, you have to buy a subscription, or you get a subscription from someone, and then you link it to your TV Mate, and you can watch movies, documentaries, sports. So TV Mate is very interesting. And if you don't have TV Mate on your smart TV and want it, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get TV Mate on your smart TV device. The last but not the least application to have on your smart TV is Up to Down. Up to Down is an app store for your smart TV. If you don't have Google Play Store, or you don't have App Store, or maybe there's some applications you're unable to find on your App Store on your smart TV, Up to Down is a solution. You just have to come back to up to down and search for any application you're looking for on your smart TV. I can easily install the application to your smart TV from up to down. I use up to down most of the time to download applications to my smart TV, especially when I don't find them on my app store. Now, I use two applications to download applications. I use up to down and I use downloader. When I don't want to use downloader, I can go ahead and use up to down. And if I don't have the application up to down, then I can go ahead and use downloader. All these applications do help me get any file or any app that I want to my smart TV. So this is how up to down looks like. You just have to go over here, come to the search box and search in the application you are looking for, and it's going to be right there for you to install or download to your smart TV. If you don't have up to down on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There's a link there that's going to help you to get up to down to your smart TV. So those are my 5 applications that I'll recommend anyone to have or must have on that smart TV to enjoy that smart TV. If these applications were useful to you, do not forget to support me by subscribing to this YouTube channel and sharing the video to someone who might be in need. You can also hit the bell button so when I post the next video, you're one of the first person to be notified.